The Lava BeU has been especially designed keeping women in mind. It comes with a stone-studded camera and floral speaker mesh. It also comes with an inbuilt safety app that is equipped with features like sending distress notification to up to 10 emergency contacts, discrete distress trigger and audio recording options. It is available in rose pink color. The phone comes with a 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal memory that provides for seamless multitasking. Lava BeU has a 6.088-inch HD Plus water drop notch display for an uninterrupted and immersive viewing experience. It comes with Face Unlock feature that lets you unlock your phone instantly and securely. The phone also features Handbag and Power Saver mode. Lava BeU comes with a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera and an 8 megapixel front camera. Powered by a 1.6 GHz chipset, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone comes with a 4060 mAh battery that gives a standby time of up to 650 hours. The box includes handset, USB cable, charger, battery, back cover and screen protection. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.